Welcome to our YouTube channel. Dear brother and sister, today I show you how to write an article with voice to text tools. This is easy and beautiful process for you. Go to this tools voice to text box. Then this website name is amazip.com. You can get free image search, image optimize, image format converter, thumbnail downloader, keyword research. Now click the microphone button and check in here voice to text. Wow, nice. It is very beautiful and awesome. I want to type voice to text. I hope you are looking in here. I talking and in here writing. If you like our video, subscribe our channel and stay with us.